Hi, I'm Elf1 and I am sent this toy test doll. And today we're going to show you the 3Doodler start.
Yes, very cool. We're going to use it to draw. So did you place that all the way in? Yep. Cool. Okay, you want to press stop?
This thing's like awesome.
It is. You think it's pretty cool?
Yep.
Should we pull out one of the expansion packs and play with that? You want to make a robot?
I sometimes take into them.
So that it keeps everything organized. So this is pretty cool.
You don't have to like keep on holding it. You can like let go, and then when you're done, you can like just press it. Lelo, it is awesome.
Oh, you're such a character. So you're gonna do a yellow now.